Well, how's it going, everybody? I'm going to show you something that will blow your mind. It's a... What the hell's that? There was a water drop sound. Economic. Then I'm going to show you. This is a tutorial of how to do it. If you're looking at a blue light that's on my face, it's just... I'm just watching Family Guy. So all you do is so you can see properly. Your tongue here. You see it there? Put it all the way back so you've got a lot of space. Yeah, make sure you breathe before this and don't take a long time because it's really hard to breathe when you do it. So when you do that, my cheeks might be a bit red because I've just started doing practicing this. What you need to do is do that. I didn't do it yet. You do that. But while you're doing that, and you've got the pressure of your tongue, you flick. Can I wait a little bit because I've just started. That's the tutorial. So see you again for the next episode. Probably be either my Bean Boozled challenge or a video game. Video game. Sorry about that. See you later.